Tips on doing business with the Arabs. Business between the Middle East and the West has grown tremendously in the last 20 years. Cultural difference sometimes cause problems in carrying out business transactions. This article gives suggestions to Western businessmen and the Muslims who do business in the Arab world. It's intended to help them understand valid customs and practicals in the Middle East. 1. Arab consider in the extremely bad manners to start talking business. Emergency, even the biased government official or executive always takes extra time to be valid and over replenishment. No matter how busy you are, you should make time for this hospitality. 2. The conference visit is a way of doing business through the Arab world. Frequently, you will have to discuss your business in the presence of strangers who may or may not have anything to do with your business. Do not be surprised if your meeting is interrupted several times by people who come into the room unequipped, whisper or speak faintly to the person with whom you are talking, and leave. Act as though you do not hear, and never show displeasure at being interrupted. 3. Making decisions quickly is not an Arabic custom. There is a vagueness is doing business in the Middle East which will puzzle a newcomer. Give yourself lots of time and exclude of question. 4. Fashion is an important quality. You may have to wait 2 or 3 days to see high-level government officials as they are very busy. Give yourself enough time. 5. Personal relationships are very important. They are the key to doing business in Arab countries. Try to identify the decision maker regarding your product or service immediately and get to know him on the friendly basis. Do your homework. Be prepared to discuss detail of your product or proposal. Be ready to answer technical questions. 6. Familiarize yourself with the Muslim and national holiday of light of visit during Ramadan. The Muslim mode of fasting. Most Arab countries have a 6-day work week from Saturday through Thursday, when make with the Monday to Friday practice in most Western countries is live only 3.5 workday share. Remember, this is planning your often Muslims do not eat pork. Some are sick about the religious prohibition against alcohol beverages. If you are not sure, wait for your host to suggest the proper thing to drink. 7. When an Arab say yes, he may mean maybe. When he say maybe, he probably means no. You will seldom get a direct no from an Arab because it is considered invalid. Also, he does not want to close his official. Instead of no, he will say inshallah, which means if God is willing. On the other hand, yes does not necessarily mean yes. A smile and a slow nod might seem like an agreement, but in fact, your host in being valid in Arab concept in invalid to decrease with guys. Main idea, paragraph 1. In Arab culture, showing hospitality before starting a business discussion is critical. Talking time for felicitation and offering reprimands is highly valued, even if you're busy. For example, in China, personal relationship or currency play a significant role in business meeting, often being with high conversation or a share mere mail before getting to the core business matters, showing respect and building trust. Paragraph 2. Main idea. In Arab culture, business discussion often take place in less formal setting and can be interpreted by people entering or leaving the room. You are expected to remit claim and not be disturbed by this interruption. Paragraph 3. Main idea. Discussion making in Arab culture tends to be slow and indirect. A business person needs to allow ample time for discussion and ask many questions to fully understand the session. For example, in India, business culture decision making can also be slow, especially in large family or government organizers. The process often requires approval from multiple parties, and being patient with uncertainty is important. Main idea, paragraph 4. Patiently is a key quality in Arab business culture, as many take several days to meet with high-level officials due to her busy so days. Is important to allocate enough time with me. For example, in Brazil, meeting with government officials or business leaders can also require patience. Scheduling meeting might take time and delays are common. Flexibility and understanding are essential when doing business in this context. Paragraph 5. Main idea, personal relationships are key to doing business in Arab countries, and this important to understanding the discussion maker and build a friendly relationship with them. We will prefer to discuss your product or service in detail. For example, paragraph 5. Personal relationship in business. In Japan, personal relationship and trust are the critical when doing business. The contact of new mawasi or building consensus through informal discussion before making a decision is very important. Paragraph 6. It is important to be aware of Muslim and national holiday when doing business in Arab countries, particularly avoiding Ramadan. Also understand culture difference, such as a daily restriction like avoid pork and alcohol. For example, paragraph 6. In India, it's essential to consider religious holidays such as Diwali or Holi when scheduling business meeting. Additionally, many in India follow a vegetarian diet, and it's important to be sensitive to this in business setting. Paragraph 7. Main idea. In India, communication can also be indirect. People may avoid saying no directly, preferring to say well, see, or maybe to avoid conflict or causing embarrassment.